Okay, so hold on. Tell everybody what we're gonna be doing.
Everybody, we're gonna put my bathroom into the water today.
And what do you think is gonna happen?
It's gonna turn rainbow.
It's gonna turn rainbow.
Everyone, let me play, Mom.
Say, are you ready?
Are you ready, guys? Whoa! Look at Mom. It's gonna be rainbow for the whole day.
Yeah, it's moving all around.
Look at, I need to spin it a little. Look at the poppy bubbles. Oh, it's fizzing in my hand.
Ooh, look at it fizzing.
Put it back in. It's spinning in my hand. Let me put it back in, Mom. There.
Look at it spinning.
Look at the baby pink. And the pink mixed into the white. And now it's a baby pink.
Now it's a baby pink?
Yeah. It's bubbling in my hand. I can't, Mama, I see the surprise.
You see the surprise in
Put
there?
it back in.
Okay.
It's gonna be rainbow.
Yeah.
Look at Mom, it's bubbling in my hand.
Oh my goodness.
Let me put it back in. There. Everyone, look, the water's rainbow.
Look at your hands. Let me see your hand. Oh my goodness, it matches your shirt.
I need to wipe it off. Look at Mom, it's like a toy cat. It's like a toy star. Let me put it back in. I like get a unicorn.
You think there's gonna be a unicorn in there?
My fizzy. I see the surprise.
You see the surprise in there?
I'm gonna put it back in.
Okay.
Look at Mom.
Oh
It's
my-
like a toy. It's like a toy, Mom.
Yeah.
And look at the blue. Pink and the blue are fizzing, and the yellow and with the blue is changing into a teal color.
It sure is changing into a teal color.
I'm gonna put it right back in.
Okay. Oh,
Look at my hand.
look at your handprint. That's so
And
cool.
look at my fingerprint.
Yeah.
Look at this, Mom.
Wow, it's shrinking.
I see it.
You
I
see-
see the surprise in there.
Why don't you put it back in the water so it can keep dissolving a little bit?
Okay.
It'll make it easier for the surprise to come out. I
And
wonder
look.
how it spins like that. Well, let's see your handprint. Oh, handprint.
It's so, and look at my hand.
Yeah.
It's rainbow.
It
And look at my
is.
other finger.
Look at your other finger.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
see.
rainbow. And it's a little bit pink.
A little bit pink.
Wait, let me take it out. Look at Mom.
What is that?
This is my surprise.
Is your surprise in there?
Yeah. I see it.
Comment down below what you think the surprise is going to be.
Okay. Oh, put it right back in.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah. Look at this, Mom. I need to crack it something.
We'll put it back in the water so it can dissolve some more. It'll be easier to get the toy out.
Okay. Ta-da! Look at it, Mom.
Ta-da! Looks like a mushroom.
Yeah. A
What
yellow
color?
and a white mushroom.
Yeah, and what other color is left?
Teal and pink.
Yeah.
What's my surprise?
I don't know.
It's this. Why did it be not a toy?
It is a toy. Put it back in there for
Okay.
a minute. Put it back in there and let it keep dissolving.
Need to keep dissolving.
Yeah.
I can play in the, and then I can play in the rainbow water.
Yeah. Maybe we can pour that water in the tub when you take a bath in a minute too.
And look at my nails.
It's-
Look at my nails.
I
They're
see.
rainbow.
They are.
Oops. Put it right back in. Oops.
Plop.
Mama, can I crack it?
Sure, try to.
I can mix it up and look it. It's making a baby pink color.
Yeah, baby pink color.
Yeah. Aww.
I bet you your hands are gonna stay pink for days.
Yeah.
You think so?
Let me wipe them off.
Oh, that's okay. You can wash it. Oh my goodness.
Look at my hand.
Oh my goodness.
It's pink.
It is pink.
It turned to orange. It turned to yellow. Then pink.
It did.
Mama.
Can you pick it apart now and see what your surprise is?
No, you can't. I almost cracked it.
So, let's see. Hold on.
It says to open the block.
Oh, to open the block.
It cracked.
You did. What is it? Let's see.
It's not a toy.
It is a toy. Rinse it off in the thing. Is there a button on it?
Yeah, and it's a toy.
Let me see it real quick.
Open it.
Let's see. Oh, it is like a diamond. It's like a little diamond toy. Okay, so let's see. It says pull
It's like
here.
a little dinosaur toy. It goes in the dark. Let me turn the light off.
Okay.
Look it, Mom.
Wow.
And it goes in the dark.
That's pretty cool. It's like a pretend
it
ice
off.
cube.
Mama, can I turn it off?
It says to put it back in the water and it'll make the water light up. Put it in the water. Ooh. That's pretty darn cool.
How did it turn it off?
I don't think you do turn it off. I think it stays on. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Pretty fancy?
I'm gonna go out with it.